हेलो एंड गुड मॉर्निंग इंडिया। गुड मॉर्निंग सभी को। स्वागत है आप सभी का वाईफाई स्टडी स्टूडियोज के इस चैनल पे। दिस इज आंचल सिंह एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस having a session. We are going to have a session on sentence rearrangement. जैसा कि हम सभी को पता है, sentence rearrangement is a very important question which comes in all the exams, whether it be bank exams, whether it be SBI exams और SSC exams. साथ ही sentence rearrangement को हम jumbles भी बोलते हैं। तो आज हम सीखेंगे how to solve these questions. I have come up with this session so that I can discuss certain very important questions with you, which plays a very important role and which can come in your examinations as well. So आपके साथ आज करूंगी मैं इस सेशन को की शुरुआत, और आपको करनी है इस सेशन की तैयारी और यहाँ से सीख के जाना है कि कैसे करना है रीअरेंजमेंट। देखो, rearrangement of sentences. Whenever you answer a rearrangement of sentences, always keep in mind about the subject, या तो सब्जेक्ट या और सब्जेक्ट क्या होने चाहिए, सब्जेक्ट या नाउन या प्रोनाउन हो, या तो सब्जेक्ट नाउन प्रोनाउन, इससे आपके सेंटेंस की शुरुआत होती है, या फिर आपके सेंटेंस की शुरुआत किसी पास्ट स्टेटमेंट से होती है। During those days, once upon a time, over the years ago, something like this, okay? And when we end a sentence, we always look for concluding keywords, and to link the sentences with each other, we take help of we take help of we take help of pronoun. We take help of pronoun, right? So this is how we are going to discuss today about rearrangement of sentences. Let's get started with this session. My name is Aanchal Singh. As you all know, you all can go to Unacademy and follow me on Unacademy. For buying any subscription, you can use my code, which is AN Live. आपको यहाँ पे AN Live टाइप करना है और बहुत ही जल्द आप जितनी जल्दी ले सकते हैं इन सब्सक्रिप्शन को बाय कर लीजिए, क्योंकि बहुत ही जल्द प्राइसेस हाइक होने वाले हैं. So I would ask you to gain the profit, acquire the profit as soon as possible. If you take a plan of 12 months whose fees is 6,000, the moment you use my code it becomes 5,400, which means you get an instant discount of 10%. लेकिन ये तभी होगा जब आप अनअकैडमी पे जाके मुझे फॉलो करेंगे और आप इस प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन को बाय करेंगे. ये है मेरी क्लासेस का स्केड्यूल. 6:30 to 7 AM आप मेरे साथ जुड़ सकते हैं वाईफाई स्टडी स्टूडियोज पे. 10 AM to 11 AM आप मेरे साथ जुड़ सकते हैं अनअकैडमी ऐप प्लस क्लासेस के लिए. 11:30 AM to 1:30 PM आप मेरे साथ जुड़ सकते हैं अनअकैडमी स्पेशल क्लास पे. 2 PM to 3 PM आप जुड़ सकते हैं वाईफाई स्टडी बैंक एग्जाम्स पे. और थर्सडे फ्राइडे को, हर थर्सडे और फ्राइडे को 10:30 to 11 आप मेरे साथ जुड़ सकते हैं जस्ट इंग्लिश के सेशन में. तो स्वागत है आप सभी का वाईफाई स्टडी स्टूडियोज के इस चैनल पे. चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. सेशन को भी प्यार देते हुए ढेर सारा लाइक करें. और चलिए बढ़ते हैं आज के सेशन की ओर और करते हैं आज के सेशन की शुरुआत और इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व. तो द क्वेश्चन इज, आई होप यू आर एबल टू सी द क्वेश्चन. इफ नॉट देन आई विल हैव upward, and I would not mind doing that. Okay, I hope you can see the question now. राइट, तो सबसे पहले कीवर्ड्स देखिए, सबसे पहले कीवर्ड्स पे ध्यान दीजिए और देखिए क्या है क्वेश्चन. अ रिलैक्स्ड एटीट्यूड टू ट्रांजैक्शंस इन्वॉल्विंग कैश फिल्ड suitcases also. This is not making your first sentence. Limassol's one CD weight waterfront boasts smart blocks of flats, shopping malls, and a gleaming marina for the billionaire super yachts. Hundreds of trained Cypriot lawyers and accountants earn a living by handling the affairs of Russian and Ukrainian offshore companies. The wealthiest Russian and Ukrainian families flit between Cyprus, London, and Paris. Nicosia, the island's capital, and Limassol, its largest port. देखिए, लिमासोल के बारे में बात यहाँ पे हो रही है और पहली बार शायद बात यहाँ पे हो रही है. Its largest port are these days home to an estimated are these days home to an estimated 50,000 to 60,000 citizens of the former Soviet Union. पहले जिसे सोवियत यूनियन कहा जाता था. The relationship has flourished since since the island since लिखा हुआ मतलब पास्ट की बात कर रहे हैं. became a base for the capitalist from the former. I always say to all the students, whenever you're solving a rearrangement of sentences, do not go and see these questions. Which one is the first, which one is the fifth, which one is the second, which is asked. Just forget about these questions, okay? Focus on rearranging this part and draw filling the blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A, B, C, D, E, F. 5 blanks, 6 blanks, and start putting the blanks in their places. The moment you feel that they are arranged, you can reread the statement and see that how this has been arranged. A relaxed attitude to transactions involving cash suitcases also लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. Also मतलब इसके पहले कोई sentence जरूर होगा, right? हम पहले first sentence ढूंढते हैं. Hundreds of Western trained Cypriot lawyers and accountants earn a living by handling the affairs of Russian and Ukrainian offshore companies. The wealthiest Russian, पहली बार हमने यहाँ पे बात की रशियन के अफेयर्स के बारे में, रशियन लोगों के बारे में, राइट? मतलब रशियन या यूक्रेनियन लोगों के बारे में. The wealthiest Russian and Ukrainian families split between Cyprus, London and Paris, right? तो डी कहीं ना कहीं आंसर तो बना रहा है, बट ये आई थिंक ये एक अलग ही स्टेटमेंट है जो हम इसके साथ तो कनेक्ट नहीं कर सकते. तो सबसे पहला फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम अपना ऑप्शन बना लेते हैं सी को, सी हमारा फर्स्ट बन गया. अब हमें ढूंढना है सेकंड ऑप्शन. सेकंड हमारा क्या है? ओके, द रिलेशनशिप हैज फ्लरिश्ड सिंस, क्योंकि मैंने सिंस वर्ड मार्क किया था, इस मीन्स की पास्ट की बात हो रही है, तो पास्ट वाले सेंटेंसेस हमेशा शुरुआत में आएंगे. तो क्या सी के बाद एफ फॉलो कर सकता है? जी हाँ, बिल्कुल फॉलो कर सकता है. सिंस द आइलैंड बिकेम अ बेस ऑफ रुपीज इतना ऑफ प्रोटो कैपिटलिस्ट फॉर्मर फ्रॉम द फॉर्मर सोवियत यूनियन इन द 1990s, thanks to a communist era treaty on removing double taxation. Okay, so the error is in sorry, the next sentence follows is F. अब F के बाद देखना है क्या होंगे सेंटेंसेस. यहाँ पे देखिए हम क्या बात कर रहे हैं, कैपिटलिस्ट की बात कर रहे हैं, टैक्स हटाने की बात कर रहे हैं, सोवियत यूनियन की बात कर रहे हैं, राइट? हम बात करते हैं सोवियत यूनियन की बात हमने एक जगह और की है. कहाँ की है? ई नंबर पे की है. निकोसिया द आइलैंड. अब निकोशिया द आइलैंड के बारे में हमने पहली बार कहाँ सुना? लिमासोल के बारे में पहली बार कहाँ सुना? बी नंबर सेंटेंस में. तो उससे हम पेयर कर सकते हैं. उस एक बार हम आंसर नंबर सेंटेंस नंबर ए भी पढ़ लेते हैं. A relaxed attitude to transactions involving cash field suitcases also help. अब टैक्स के साथ आप इसको जोड़ के देखिए. कैपिटल कम्युनिस्ट लोगों का थैंक्स कह रहे हैं ये लोग, क्योंकि उन लोगों की वजह से डबल टैक्सेशन हटा दिया गया और इसकी वजह से एक रिलैक्स्ड एटीट्यूड आ गया, ट्रांजैक्शंस इजी हो गए करने में. दैट मींस एफ के बाद सेंटेंस ए फॉलोज. एंड ए के बाद अब हम बात करेंगे निकोशिया द आइलैंड्स कैपिटल एंड लिमासोल इट्स लार्जेस्ट पोर्ट आर दीज डेज होम टू एन एस्टिमेटेड इतना सिटीजंस ऑफ द फॉर्मर सोवियत यूनियन, राइट? इसके बाद हमें पता है हमारा ऑप्शन कौन सा होने वाला है. लिमासोल के बारे में कहाँ बात कर रहे हैं? ई में, और ई के बाद बी में. सो द आंसर इज बी एंड द लास्ट विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर डी. Let's read this arrangement properly first and see if it is making a sense or not. Okay, a relaxed attitude. Okay, first see, hundreds of Western trained Cypriot lawyers and accountants earn a living by handling the affairs of Russian-Ukrainian offshore companies. The relationship has flourished since the island became a base for proto-capitalists from the former Soviet in the 1990s, thanks to a communist-era treaty on removing double taxation. A relaxed attitude to transaction involving cash-filled suitcases also helped Nicosia, the island's capital, and Limassol's its largest port, are these days home to an estimated 50,000 to 60,000 citizens of the former Soviet Union. Limassol's one seedy waterfront boasts smart blocks of flats, shopping malls, and gleaming marina for the billionaires who are the wealthiest Russian and Ukrainian families split between Cyprus, London, and Paris. This is the correct arrangement of the following. C, F, A, E, B, D is the correct arrangement. Which is the second? Second is option number E, F. Which is the fifth? Fifth वाला कौन सा है? Fifth है option number B. Which is the first? First is option number C. Which is the third? Option number C. F के बाद क्या था हमारे पास? A था. Option number A is the third. And the last was option number D. अब ये मैच कर गया, दैट मीन्स आपका अरेंजमेंट बिल्कुल सही है. अगर यहाँ पे मिसमैच होती तो हमें लगता कि अरेंजमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट. Moving on to the next question, let's see what will be the correct अरेंजमेंट ये बहुत इजी है, आपको सिर्फ ढूंढना है पहला सेंटेंस, जहां आपको पहला सेंटेंस मिल जाता है आप ऑटोमेटिकली अपने पूरे के पूरे अरेंजमेंट को बिना सेंटेंस रीड किए आंख बंद करके आंसर मार्क कर सकते हैं. The state government has embarked on a labor-intensive program to desilt rivers and water bodies ahead of the rains. Its predicament reflects the larger reality of drought in India, aggravated by heat waves and significant rain deficits in different regions. On the cusp of the southwest monsoon, several arid states are hoping to revive their rivers and reservoirs with bountiful rain. I think एक बार हम पढ़ लेते दिस ईयर्स फॉल. अब हम बात करें इस साल के बारे में, अभी हम बात कर रहे थे उस समय के बारे में, वो उस जगह के बारे में, राइट. Affected farmers depend on Sardar Sarovar Dam and so reservoirs. One of them in Gujarat. One of them is in Gujarat, which is roiled by a long tail effect of a this. So don't you think C is the beginning of the sentence? If C is the beginning of the sentence, then your answer is C. If A is the beginning of the sentence, A के बाद उसको पढ़िए. यहाँ पे हम रेन्स की बात कर रहे हैं विद बाउंटीफुल रेन्स, और यहाँ बात कर रहे हैं अहेड ऑफ द रेन्स, रेन्स के बाद की बात कर रहे हैं. That means C will make a correct arrangement, and the correct arrangement is option number C, E, A, B, D. Okay, C पहला, E दूसरा, A, A तीसरा, B, B the second last fourth, and D is the last option. C, E, A, B, D is the correct arrangement. So easy. C. ओके यहाँ पे भी आपको सेम काम करना है. आपको अगर पहला सेंटेंस मिल जाता है आपको सारे के सारे सेंटेंसेस मिल जाएंगे. सो प्लीज रीड इट आउट एंड फाइंड आउट व्हाट विल बी द करेक्ट अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. व्हाइल दिस इज एक्सीलेंट, नॉट मेकिंग अ फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, प्रोनाउन इज देयर. बिटवीन इतना से इतना, मतलब इसके पहले कोई सेंटेंस जरूर है. WHO report doesn't model usage trends in this segment. Which segment? Definitely there is a beginning of the sentence. By 2025, futuristic. We are talking about future, right? So maybe this will come in some last sentence. A report from the WHO on the occasion of World No Tobacco Day suggests that India's effort to cut the prevalence of cigarette smoking are paying off. इसके बाद फिर चीजों के बारे में बात हो रही है. Paying off between 2000 to 2025 this fell from 19.4. यहाँ पे statistics है. Paying off, how is it paying off? We are talking about the statistics and this is the statistics. तो सबसे पहला अरेंजमेंट हमारा मिल गया हमें ई के बाद बी. ऐसे ऑप्शंस दो जगह हैं, आप देखिए सी और ए में, राइट. सी और ए में. अब हमें देखना है सी और ए के बाद क्या लग रहा है. एंड द WHO रिपोर्ट डजंट मॉडल. अगेन इसके बाद अगर हम तुरंत इसकी बात कर रहे हैं तो ये देयर इज नो सिंक्रोनाइजेशन बिटवीन दीज टू सेंटेंसेस. बट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट by 2025, the report projected it could drop to 8.5%, putting India well in the line to meeting its 2025 target under a WHO global plan to tackle non-communicable diseases. The WHO report doesn't model usage trends in this segment because of the paucity of global. Okay, paucity यहाँ पे C फिर भी नहीं हमारे नेक्स्ट D के बाद अरेंज हो रहे हैं. That means the correct answer is EBDA. Next will be A. While this is excellent news, it needs to be highlighted that smokeless tobacco is bigger scourge in the country. The WHO report doesn't model usage trends in this segment because of the paucity of global data. So the correct arrangement to this following will be EBDAC, and your answer is option number A. Okay, next question. Okay, here comes the next question. Next question is this. Okay, I'll just slide it upward so that you can see the sentence properly. Chaliye, let's discuss. The first sentence. A few doubts it will win. It will win. Who will win? Sorry. Okay, just a second. Okay. So what will be the correct answer here? Let's find it out. A few doubts it will win. Who will win? When Angloans go to the polls on August 23rd. The People's Movement for the Liberalization of Angola has led the country since independence from Portugal in 1975. Can this make your first sentence? Let's see. Many Angolans credit the MPLA with bringing peace to the country after nearly 3 decades of civil war, then ended in 2002. It is fitting that the black and red flag of Angola is hardly distinguishable from that of its ruling party. Okay, I think this is somewhat making a first sentence because A भी first लग रहा है, B भी first लग रहा है, C भी first लग रहा है. At the parliament election in 2008, it won 82% of the vote. In 2012, it won 72%. Okay, this is what we are talking next. So, if I make D as the sentence, first sentence, can I go with option number B? Let's see the arrangement first, okay, and then we will decide on to which one is the correct answer. It is fitting that the black and red flag of Angola is hardly distinguishable from that of its ruling party. The People's Movement for the Liberation of Angola has led the country since independence from Portugal in 1975. At the parliament election in 2008, it won 82% of the vote. In 2012, it won 72%. Few doubts it will win again. Okay, they won and then win. They will win, won and then win. Right? Correctly used. मतलब ये दो pair एकदम सही है. Okay, when Angolans go to the polls on August 23rd, many Angolans credit the MPLA with bringing peace to the country after nearly 3 decades of civil war that ended in 2002. Okay, I think this is somewhat making the correct arrangement of the following. So I will go with option number B. If you have any other doubt, if you have any other arrangement to this, you can definitely come up and tell me, comment in the comment box, and we can reframe the sentence. Okay, here we go with the next sentence. The residents of the weather hotspot region is used to annual storms carrying natural dust clouds in the pre-monsoon from the Thar Desert, okay, and further west. Record April temperatures in parts of Pakistan. Okay, we are talking about different parts and different places and their season. Okay, there which one is the weather hotspot and all. We are talking about the regions and their weather. So, which sentence shall we begin with? Right? Let's see. A wave of extreme weather over northern states in India has killed at least 124 people and caused much misery, mostly in Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. Okay, this is making my first sentence, so I'll stick with C. This could be a recurring feature. Which feature are we talking about? Let's find it out. Forecasting methods and protocols to mitigate the impact, but they have been hit by a particularly destructive version this year. Combined hot western winds and moisture from the east. Okay, so here we are talking about 124 people. Then we are talking how they have been affected. Then we talk about the residents. The residents of this weather hotspot region. Which weather hotspot region? Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh hotspot region. So I can arrange C after A. The residents of this weather hotspot region is used to annual storms carrying natural dust clouds in the pre-monsoon season from the Thar Desert and further west. Okay, and then but they have been hit by a particularly destructive version this year, combined hot western winds and moisture from the east. Okay, E1 coordinates after that. Now B and D. Record April temperatures in the east. Record April temperatures in parts of Pakistan at one place exceeding 50 degrees C are thought to have added to the ferocity of the dust-laden winds. This could be a recurring feature. Which feature? This feature of recording the temperature. The recurring feature, particularly recurring feature, there is no need to develop according to the forecasting methods and protocol to mitigate the impact. So we have B and D. The correct arrangement is C, A, E, B, D, option number E. Last question. The rise in crude oil prices through this year amidst rising geopolitical tensions in West Asia and dwindling global supply have, see, these kind of questions only come. That is why it is always said that reading is very important. If you read, if you regularly read, you will be able to connect to the sentences, connect to the arrangement and easily able to find out your answers. But if you do not read, if you do not have a habit of reading, please, it's a request, start reading now. Start having inculcating that habit within your own self so that you are capable of answering these questions, because this question gives you 5 marks, almost 5 marks in your pocket. So please do that. The rise in crude oil prices through this year amidst rising geopolitical tensions in West Asia and dwindling global supply have obviously hurt the rupee and the trade balance. India's macroeconomic threats lie exposed at its grapples with the rupee's slide. The rupee, already one of the most worst Asian currencies, has now weakened 6.2% in India. India's macroeconomic threats lie exposed at its grapples with the rupee's slide. this can be my first sentence. Let's see more. Okay, the rupee already. Meanwhile is used मतलब कहीं ना कहीं ये concluding sentences. So let me see this arrangement. 5 questions. B is the first, D is the last. Do we have B and D anywhere in the last? B and E, B and D. Okay, B and D. And you have got your arrangement. The correct arrangement is B, E, C, A, D. Because meanwhile is always used in all the concluding statement. Be very specific. अगर ये words दिए हैं ये आपके last words ही हैं. आपको logical reasoning की भी यहाँ पे जरूरत पड़ेगी ताकि आप इनके answers correctly answer कर सके. ठीक है? एक बार हम read करते हैं इस arrangement को और देखते हैं is it making a meaningful sentence, giving us a meaningful sentence. India's economic threats lie exposed as it grapples with the rupee's slide. Okay. The currency sunk to a closing low of 68.07 against the US dollar on Tuesday, its lowest level in 16 months, before recovering slightly the next day. Okay. The rupee, already one of the worst performing Asian currencies, has now weakened 6.2% in 2018. The rise in crude oil prices through this year amidst rising geopolitical tensions in West Asia and dwindling global supply have obviously hurt the rupee and the trade balance. And lastly, meanwhile, despite a depreciating currency depreciate होने के बावजूद, India's merchandise exports are stumbling instead of gaining from the opportunity. Very well, it has been synchronized. The sentences are very well synchronized, and the correct arrangement of the following will be B, E, C, A, D. I hope this was a learning session for you, and if not, please take screenshots of these and follow back and try to read it out again. And if you get any article related to this, do read that article to get the whole concept and whole idea. But for this, you need to start reading again. Okay, we have one more question here which we will do very soon. Okay, because the time is up and we have less time left. So these questions we will be doing very soon, and I hope you will also start reading, also start practicing. Because see, reading at the end of the day helps you in answering RC, para jumbles, close test, para completion, sentence completion, column based question, everything. So for being very profound in these topics, you need to have a good reading skill. Reading and reading ability should be there. So please start reading so that you can solve these questions within fractions of seconds. Okay, we have to crack exams this year for all of you. And thank you for joining me in the session. Channel को like, share, subscribe करना ना भूले और session को भी like करते हुए ढेर सारा like दे. See you all in the next class. Till then, take care. Goodbye.